When you want professional-grade welding equipment, you want tools from the experts at Klutch. Take this MonsterView Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. It's ideal for Tig, MIG, MMA, and plasma cutting applications with a grinding feature. Get a full view of your welding area from the 21.5 square inch viewing area. Static DIN 5-shade side panels enhance your view and control of the work. The lens darkens automatically, offering a variable 5 to 13 shade. 4 arc sensors detect when an arc is struck. A fast switching speed goes from clear to dark in 1/25,000th of a second. Improve visibility and reduce eye strain with the True Color technology, which minimizes the traditional lime green coloring in the helmet view screen. Stay comfortable during long work sessions with the adjustable ratcheting headgear and padding. A replaceable battery makes it easy to keep the helmet powered up and running. Protect your eyes and get the job done with this MonsterView Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet from Klutch. Only at Northern Tool.